Alright, big up on yourself, people. It's a quick video. I leave the house and me see this drop. Someone else will just get this sorted out. I'm sure you know what? Just want to look a quick review about it. Alright, so apparently the Reggae Boyz have dropped, or should I say the JFF have dropped a preliminary squad for the Reggae Boyz upcoming World Cup qualifiers. We're gonna discuss that. But before we do so, please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Done anything already. MG Sports, welcome back again. All right, so see the squad of people. This is the squad. This is basically a squad watch. Apparently, a squad watch. It's very interesting. The names that is on the list. Still a little bit disappointed where that is concerned because I believe there is a missing. We have missing elements, and where the strength is at. I don't think that's where we really need to emphasize on. But as it stands, that's the case. All right. Big up on yourself, as I say, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Now, basically said road to 2026 watch list. So these are apparently the players that we are looking at. Now, no Mason Green, that's the first obvious absentee or omission. So I think a lot of persons would make that soak in. I assume the ACP rule is in full fledged. All right, so goalkeepers, Andre Blake, injured. Jamal Wade, Shaquan Davis, Amal Knight, Tafari Chambers. Defenders, Dexter Lemikisa. Going back to Wolves, the youth setup. I'm not sure what go on because he was at Charlton Athletic. I'm supposed to do a video on that. I'll get you guys updated where that is concerned. Amar Bell, playing good at Charlton Athletic as it stands. Who else? Mason Woolgate. Fairly okay so far. Don't is the Qatar side. I sadly want to. He play consistent. So now we really worry about that. Richard King, who's now currently on the bench, that may be a little bit of worry. Joe Latibadier, Damian Lowe, Greg Lee, Ethan Pinnock, Rico Henry, and Deshaun Bernard. So Rico Henry is a new name added to the list. Brentford left back. So that's actually a huge positive where that is concerned. But the truth is, we aren't necessarily short on left back. Rico Henry is really good though. So good quality addition. Never can deny that. All right. So even though we don't think that really priority. Midfielders now we have Casey Palmer, Isaac Eden. Isaac Eden will be doing a video on that now. Recently get a club, so we'll start getting some consistent football. John Russell, Jashawn Anglin, Kera Anderson, Ian Frey, interesting again. Bobby Reed, Tyrese Hall, Gennaro Johnson, and Kevin Lambert. Haven't heard much about Kevin Lambert in a good while, so most definitely will be keeping up where he is concerned. Forward line now, a whole bunch of players. Players like a foolishness. Players like foolishness. All right, let's start with forward line. Tyrese Campbell, Liam Bailey, Kaim Dixon, Demar Gray, Shamar Nicholson, Dujan Richards, Warner Brown, Ramon Burrell, Ronaldo Cephas, Mikel Antonio. Interesting as well because we still haven't heard any information where Mikel Antonio is concerned in regards to playing football. Still nothing on that one. So that one is very interesting. Norman Campbell, Trevante Stewart. I think Trevante Stewart is actually doing really good right now. Cameron Archer, new addition coming up. Malik Madazil, Bailey Kadamachi. This is a name that I have to do a video separately on. But certainly I'm going to wait until the squad selection. I'll be doing a separate video where Bailey Kadamachi is concerned. Romario Williams, Javon East, Jamal Lowe, and Seymour Reed. Now, a youngster who I think is really good and has a bright future where Jamaica is concerned. So, this squad, where squad watch is concerned, yeah, me think where the midfield is concerned, we still need to fix that. But I don't think I'm okay with the midfield. I really don't think I'm okay with the midfield. I feel like I miss a name. No, I'm not miss a name. I really don't think I'm okay with the middle of this park is concerned, and that's a little bit worrying. But those are the names. That is the list, people, as you can see. Big up on yourself. Go in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Hopefully me have some more time. I can definitely do a more deep dive, especially in the players specifically that I want to speak about. Big up on yourself, people. Smash that button. Hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV. Or out. God bless. Boom. Outside.